Having just one income stream means you're at constant financial pressure and dependence on your employer. But by investing in the right property investments, the ones that cash flow positively from day one, you can buy back your most precious resource, that being your time. My name is Lawrence Bull. I'm the author of Financial Freedom Through Property. 8 years ago, I was retrenched from my safe job and realized that one income stream wasn't enough, and that's when I got into property investing. Over the course of the last 8 years, I've built a property business and I help other South Africans do the same. On my channel, you will learn how to leverage other people's money to build a property portfolio, how to negotiate discounts of up to 30% on the asking price, and even how to set up an investment portfolio remotely from the comfort of your own home. So subscribe now and get access to hundreds of hours of free, educational and actionable content. Watch case studies of live investment deals, meet successful South African investors, and learn the step-by-step process to achieving financial freedom through property.